viewers, welcome to my channel. My name is Farooq Ahmed and this video basis only information purpose. I'm not giving you any financial advice in this video. If you want to invest in cryptocurrency, you must complete research. After that, you will do this. So viewers, this video is going to be very interesting for you. If you want to get more information about cryptocurrency, you must watch this video till end. And also subscribe my channel, like my video, share with your friend, and must press bell icon button because this is a necessity for you. So let's go over laptop screen. So yes, today we are going to add new blockchain in our Metamask wallet. That's name is GoChain. Yes, if you need to save your Go token in your Metamask, so you must watch this video till end. This video is going to be very informative for you. But first of all, please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallets Info, and also press the bell icon button. And if you need to get same information in Urdu language, then you can join my other channel, Best Cryptocurrency Wallets. So first of all, I'm going to open CoinMarketCap, and we will check the rank of this token and also check the price. Bitcoin price is almost $31,000, and I think GoChain is not less in top 100 cryptocurrency, so that we are going to directly search on search bar Go. So you can see here GoChain, simple click on it. Then the new page open in front of you, where you can find all information about GoChain, like price. This time price is 1 cent and 38 pennies. And if you need to check the price graph of this chain, simple click on all, and you can see here the chain token launch is 2 cent and all-time high almost 10 cent, and this time price is 1 cent and almost 1.5 cent. So if you need to buy sell these tokens, you can use Binance, Bitum, Gate.io, KuCoin, but I'm not giving to any financial advice. It's depend on you are going to buy or not. And if you want to check the official website, so you can simple click on website. There is shown GoChain.io, simple click on it. Now the website open in front of you, and you will get more information about GoChain from this. The GoChain network is the fastest, most sustainable Web3 compatible blockchain, and you can compare with other chains with GoChain. You can see here GoChain transaction per second 1300 if you use Ethereum, so only 15 if you use Binance Smart Chain, 100, Polkadot 1000, and Cardano 270. Means transaction per second speed is 1300 of GoChain, and average fee per transaction 0.01 in Ethereum, $15, and Binance 0.01, $1 Polkadot, and Cardano 0.25 cent. Transaction legacy in a 5 second, in 5 minutes, in 75 seconds, 2 minutes, 10 minutes. And number of validators, this time only have 15 validator of GoChain, and you can see here our Ethereum is 11,000, and Binance Smart is 21, and Polkadot is 297, and Cardano 2,376. And total transaction of date 25 million, Ethereum 1.7 billion, 227 million of Binance Smart Chain, and 1.7 million of Polkadot, and 5.9 million of Cardano. Means if you are going to compare with other chain of GoChain, so GoChain is top of in these exchanges. So it depends on you are going to use or not. I'm not giving any financial advice. And you can also stake your GoChain, and you can see here API and 16% almost. So I will also make you video about how can you stake your Go token in stake area, how to connect your Metamask wallet with this chain. But today we are going to just add this blockchain in our Metamask wallet, so that we are going to open our Metamask wallet, and after that we will enter my password here, click on unlock, and now you can see here the MetaMask wallet is open in front of me. I'm going to open. If you need to add any blockchain in your MetaMask wallet, you just simply go to this area, network area. And there we have already added many chains in our MetaMask. So today we are going to add new blockchain. That name is GoChain. So you just simply click on add network. Then you need to put here the network name, new RPC URL, chain ID, currency symbol, and block explorer. So I have already all information in my notepad file. I just simply copy from my notepad file and paste here. Okay, first of all, network name GoChain, copy, paste here. Next is that new RPC URL, just copy, paste here. Third is that symbol go means token, so chain ID, sorry, need to chain ID, token symbol is go, paste here, and chain ID is 60 and paste here. And the last one is that block explorer, copy and paste here. I have put all information in this tabs, so I hope I have properly and correctly put all information on this tab. After that, just simply click on save button. Now viewers, we have successfully add new chain in our MetaMask wallet. That name is GoChain. You can easily add in your MetaMask wallet and you can easily save your token for long term. Okay, and if you need to going to deposit on this token though, so before going to deposit, keep in your mind, just simply click on it. You must find the private key. Click on three dots, click on account details. This is your wallet address if you need to deposit, so you must copy this wallet address, and before going to deposit on this wallet, you must cross check the network. You will be select GoChain network. After that, you will receive money on this wallet. Okay, and there is option is available, export private key. Enter your password here, like me. I have entered my password, just simply click on confirm. So now my private key is shown in front of me. I will save this private key in multiple places, because when I want to recover, restore, import my wallet, then this private key will be helpful me. So must save your private key and don't share your private key with anyone, otherwise your fund will be lost. Okay, so as I hope you properly understand how can you add new chain in your MetaMask wallet. That name is GoChain. So if you face any problem regarding this, you can mail to me my email address cryptowallsinfo@gmail.com, and you can also comment below this video. So again, please subscribe my channel. My channel name is cryptowallsinfo, and also press the bell icon button. And if you need to get same information in Urdu language, then you can join my other channel, Best Cryptocurrency Wallets. So we'll meet with you in new video. Bye bye.